5 crypto coins for maximum gain in 2022. In this video, we're going to talk about my recent picks. Have they gone up? Have they gone down? We're going to talk about, is alt season coming? Is now the best time to buy altcoins? We're going to talk about the top 5 max gain coins for 2022, but this is the most important one, and you got to stick around for this. How to trade this market. There's a big secret about the top 5 coins that I'm going to show you at the end of this video that determines whether or not you're profitable or whether you are losing your money, going back to your mama's house, living in the basement. Welcome to the Kale Show, baby. I'm super excited to be back. I hope you guys had an amazing, amazing Christmas. Let's do some quick housekeeping, but I have like an absolute banger show planned for you guys that I don't think you're probably going to see on YouTube today. So stick around because seriously, there are amazing coins that I'm going to show you. Obviously, there's amazing analysis that I'm going to show you, but at the end, there is this one thing that will determine whether or not you are profitable, right? And at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how much money you make on paper in crypto, right? I'm sure a lot of you guys made a lot of money in May. I'm sure a lot of you guys made money a few months ago when Bitcoin was going crazy, right? But did you keep that money? So if you're one of those people that wants to keep your money for 2022, who wants to take home those juicy gains, do me one big favor and smash that like button for me right now so more people can see this video, and make sure you watch to the end of the video because I've got something big for you. Okay. Quick housekeeping stuff. Seriously, guys, I'm going to go as fast as possible with this stuff. First and foremost, you got to follow me on Twitter because I'm going to show you in here that a lot of this stuff was revealed earlier on Twitter, and you would probably be up if you would have just followed me on Twitter. Second thing is Instagram, guys. There's a link below for Instagram. Make sure you follow me there because there are some scammers that are literally messaging my mom, and I have some cute pictures like me and my wifey, and it's just fun. So it's been fun to hang out with you guys on Instagram, so make sure you jump over there. 2+2 Genesis, you guys know about the project. The biggest thing here, though, guys, is we have a brand new page available. So click the page below, and this is a one-page link right here that has every single thing that you need to know about this project. What is it? Like, what's going on? What are the collections? What is the Genesis Hall? What is the research hall? Go and check out this page because we worked really, really hard on it because it explains this project in as small amount of time as possible so that you can know the value that we bring here because it's absolutely ridiculous and awesome. Okay, so let's do a quick review of where we were at because the first thing I wanted to do is say, hey, Kale, you've been saying some things. You've been saying some altcoins are going to go up lately. Well, what's been happening with them, right? So quick review. Here's what's been happening. If we go to my Twitter feed, right, I was a little bit worried. I'm not going to lie about this. I was a little bit worried about 8 days ago. 8 days ago, the stock futures were dumping. The NASDAQ was dumping, right? And so I was a little worried that we weren't going to get this Santa rally. Headed into the end of the year, we were going to dump everything. So I was telling you guys this on Twitter. I was like, and I was pretty bearish on YouTube, and everyone was like, Kale, are you ever going to be bullish again? Okay, so then the next day, you will see this. This is I had to point this out because everyone's like, Kale, you changed your mind. But changing your mind is one of the best skills in the world for making money. It really is. And if you can't change your mind, guys, if you just get stuck in one way of thinking, you're never going to make money in this market. So I just have to point this out. But then the very next day, I said, I've got some bids in on some altcoins. And a lot of you guys were like, wait, what? I thought you were worried. I thought, what happened, right? And so I filmed this video right here explaining all of this. It was 8 days ago. And I said, is it time to get bullish, right? And so I basically showed you exactly what I was doing. I was trading this chart. I was waiting for one last little dip. You can go back and watch a video if you don't believe me. I was waiting for one last little dip, and then I was going to load up on all the altcoins that I talked about in this video. So I talked about CRV in this video. This will be the first one I'll talk about here. But I was talking about CRV right here, on December 18th, okay? So if we go to CRV, and this is why you got to pay attention, guys. This is why you got to pay attention. So on December 18th, where were we at? Let's go find the price on December 18th because I hate to break it to you guys, but you'd be making a lot of money if you just paid attention, okay? Where's December 18th? Right here. Okay. The price was $4.39. What are we at right now? We are at $5.61. So this is absolutely ridiculous, guys. It's like a 30 to 40% move in a week. And so let's just keep going. So the next day, I came back here and I was like, okay, so it's about time to get bullish. We'll wait for one more dip. We'll load up on Solana and CRV and all of these coins that I talked about in this video. And then the next video right here on this day, December, I have the wrong video pulled up. No. I have the same video pulled up twice. No! All right, guys, you know I don't edit on this video. Hold on a second. Hold on. The next day, I literally wrote, no. Okay, these 10, where is it? These 9 coins will go nuts. This is 8 days ago, right? You guys remember this video? So I talked about 9 coins in this video. CRV, ETH, Link. You can go back and watch the video. Let's just show Link, AVAX, Solana, Bitcoin a little bit, Ethereum a little bit, Polka Bridge, Altura, Vulcan Forged, Remark, render. Okay, so like we can just go through these really quickly here, but all of these are up. I mean, all of them. You just go to render and you just go to 7-day performance. This was about 7 days ago, right? Look, I was talking about it here. Boom. Okay, let's go to remark. Let's go to remark. Just so you guys know that like timing is everything. I just want to kind of set the stage for that here, okay? Because look at this. I talked about remark 7 days ago back here. Boom, up and to the right, up and to the right. All right, what's this one here? ALU. Let's talk about ALU. I mean, they're all up, guys. They're all up. And I was talking about ALU down here. Boom, up and to the right. Solana. I mean, I could just do this all day. Like, you just click on 7 days. This one I talked about it. It was down here, and now it's up here. Let's do, what are we, Link. Link went absolutely crazy. Look at this. 7 days, was down here, boom, all the way up here. Like, this is ridiculous. This is like printing money. AVAX. AVAX is the only one that really has been kind of sideways because it had a massive pump. AVAX I was wrong about. Good call on that. CRV I already showed you guys. There's a million other ones. Phantom. Oh my gosh, Phantom. I forgot to show Phantom. Look at this bad boy. Look at this bad boy. Okay, look at that. That's literally straight up and to the right. Okay, so first of all, if you were watching the videos and you took advantage of this, please smash the like button because you're welcome. You should be up like 20, 30, 40% on all of these coins. That's fantastic. So now we have to, now that you know that like I'm not a complete idiot, right? What did I do correct here? Did I miraculously choose the correct coins at the perfect time? Yes, that's what I did. I chose at the perfect time. Any of these coins would have went up. Like I can pick any coin, MATIC, they all look the same. All the charts look the exact same, right? They just like, if you bought 7 days ago, you are massively up on any coin that you would have bought. So this is when everyone seems like a genius. And I even bookmarked this right here. Someone said this, all coins across the board look way better than they have in a long time. Genius season incoming. So every single YouTuber is gonna be like, I'm a genius, I told you to buy this, told you to buy this, and told you to buy this, and now it's all up. I'm a genius, you know? And I hate that too because it's so stupid, because it's not true. The only reason that these altcoins are up is because Bitcoin is up. Look, let's look at the chart of Bitcoin. Look, 7 days, look where Bitcoin has gone, up and to the right, right? And so if Bitcoin goes up, your altcoins go up. If Bitcoin doesn't go up, your altcoins don't go up. Okay, very simple. So I want to get that, I took 7 minutes to explain that because I'm so sick and tired of everyone being like, oh, these top 5 coins are going to go to the moon. And it's true. Like it's good to pick a top 5, and I'll show you like my top 5 here in a second. I really will. But more importantly, guys, it's how do you actually trade this market? What is your plan? How are you going to keep this money? Because the only thing that matters is Bitcoin. The only thing that matters. Because you could have bought any altcoin on the planet 7 days ago, and it would have went up and to the right. And so what we need to decide right now as a channel, because we're actually thinking logically, we're not just thinking, oh, these coins are going to the moon. They're not going to the moon unless Bitcoin goes to the moon, okay? So we need to talk about that first. So let's show the chart. We've been talking about this chart for a long time. You guys have seen this. This is the Pentoshi chart that is playing out perfectly, okay? So it's coming down here to $46,000. You guys remember this? It came up to around $48,000. It paused for a second. It came up here to $50,000. It paused for a second. Now we are in this range right here where we are about to push for $53,000. So if you're watching this video and it's the first time you're seeing this chart, you're honestly about 8 days late, and I feel kind of bad for you. However, there is still money to be made. So what are we going to do? How are we going to make the most money in 2022? Because that's what I promised you on this video, and that's what I'm going to deliver. Which coins are going to make the most money in 2022? Well, here's the answer for you guys. I'll just give it to you early on in the video, and make sure you smash the like button if you like this, okay? The answer is any of these coins will make you the most money in 2022 if you buy them at the right time and you sell them at the right time, okay? It doesn't matter if your coin does 100x, if it just plummets another 90x and you lose all of those gains, okay? You need to know how to trade this market properly, okay? So what are we doing in the very short term? Long term, for the rest of 2022 to maximize your gains, I do not think that you are going to be able to just buy these coins and just hold them. I mean, yes, you could buy Ethereum, you could buy Bitcoin, you could buy CRV, you could buy MATIC, you could buy some of these bigger coins and just hold them. Sure, you could buy even some of these smaller coins that have like an amazing market like ALU and D-rates and just hold them for like 5 years. If that's what you want to do, that's probably the simplest way to do some of this stuff, right? Just buy and hold it for a long time. If you have very solid projects, like I would only do that with projects that you know can last the span of time, right? Like ALTSEASON, Race, Bitcoin, Ethereum, MATIC, Solana, Chainlink, the AXI, Phantom. These are projects that are going to be around for a long time. However, if it was what I'm going to be doing, and you guys can come along for this journey if you want. You can get onto this subscriber train. You can get onto this Twitter train, and you can follow along with what I'm doing. Because what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to try to trade this market properly, like an actual adult, and keep the money that I'm making. So short term, I can't tell you what I'm going to do in 2 weeks. I can't tell you what I'm going to do in 3 weeks to maximize this gains. The only thing you can do is come back to the channel and I will show you what I'm doing live. Like I literally called this 7 days ago. You guys saw this, right? Like I showed you this. I showed you very simple.
The easiest Bitcoin trade ever.
The easiest Bitcoin trade ever. Look.
Follow Pento's lines. He has a line here.
See, look.
Look at his lines. He has a line here at 46,551. Buy Bitcoin here. Watch squiggly line, sell at 53,000. Boom.
Like how hard was that? Buy at 46,000, sell at 53,000. And you can do that with altcoins too. So that's still the current plan. So the current plan is to wait a little bit more here. Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin at right now? I know this seems like I'm all over the place, guys, but I know if you're used to this channel, you're used to this style of video. Okay, so $51,000 here on Bitcoin, $51,300. So what is my current plan? My current plan, if we go to the hourly chart, so I can draw this out a little bit better. Let me draw this out on the hourly chart, okay? Current plan is to wait for Bitcoin to go up to around 52,000, right here. Go up to around $52,500, okay? Right here is when I'm gonna sell all of my Bitcoin, okay? I'm just gonna take some profits. I still have some Bitcoin. I know it's pretty, I know. It's like, Kale, you have Bitcoin. Are you a boomer? Are you Peter Schiff himself? Like, what are you doing, right? But right here, I'm gonna sell some Bitcoin. Right, then I'm gonna let the altcoins rock a little bit longer. I'm gonna let the altcoins rock a little bit longer up until like the 53. Hopefully we get a push to like 54K. Then I'm going to sell. I know this is crazy. I know this sounds nuts. This sounds insane, but I'm gonna sell all of my altcoins right when we get up here into like 50, right? Basically at some point when we break $53,000 and we lose momentum, okay? These are the altcoins. These are when I'm gonna sell the altcoins. And you're probably like, Kale, what are you doing? You're gonna sell your altcoins? What? This is so stupid. Okay, no, I'm trying to keep the amount of money I'm making. So like I showed you earlier in the video, right? Every single thing that we've bought in the past 7 days is up and to the right. We are up a lot. We are up. So what we need to do is we need to lock in some of those profits, and then we need to figure out if Bitcoin is going to die from here or if Bitcoin is going to go up from here. I showed you in the other videos a million different times, but Bitcoin is coming up to a very, very important point, okay? No one's going to tell you this on Twitter. They're all going to tell you, all the YouTubers are going to tell you that we're going to the moon, we're going to 100K Bitcoin, but that's not true, okay? That's not necessarily true, because there's a line in the sand here at 53K, somewhere around 53, 54K, that is going to determine whether or not we lose all of our money or make all of our money. Bitcoin's going to come up to this line, and it's going to either go up, it's going to turn, well, hold on, it's not going to look exactly like that. It's going to come up to this line right here. It's going to come up here. It's going to either turn this line into support and go up and test for new all-time highs, or it's going to come up here to this line, it's going to get rejected, and it's going to be the worst dead cat bounce in the history of Bitcoin. This is what you call a dead cat bounce, okay? Because what happened? We went up to all-time highs, right? We came back down, we went all the way back up again, all-time highs again. Then we crashed all the way down, so it looked like it was over. Everyone was screaming, it's over, 30K, it's over. We got a nice bounce all the way from 42K up here to 53K, and that's what you call a dead cat bounce. That's when you drop, you know what a dead cat bounce is? It's when you drop something that's dead, okay? Like I can make anything bounce if I just throw it hard enough. Like this marker right here, if you just throw it hard enough, it bounces a little bit, right? It bounces up a little bit, but then it falls back down because it's dead. It doesn't have any bounce to it. It's not a bull market, okay? So we need to decide, are we in a bull market or are we in a bear market? So short term, I'm not interested in like guessing, because I don't know. I think it's probably 50-50. I think it's 50-50, we go up, 50-50, we go down. Okay, so why not just take some profits here? Just take profits here, take profits here. If I'm wrong, I'll just buy back the same coins at the same exact price right here. Okay, but if I'm right, here's where you're gonna make your money, okay? Here's where you're gonna make maximum gains in 2022, okay? And I know you guys are like, I don't wanna be a trader. Well, I'm not a trader either. I don't draw these lines either. All I do is I use other people's charts. It's very easy. And these charts are better than mine that I could ever create anyway, right? So I just base it off of people that are a lot smarter than me, and then I make educated decisions, okay? So how do you get the maximum gains in 2022? Well, first of all, don't screw up this little decision here, right? Don't screw this up. When we get to about 53K Bitcoin, take some profits, see where the market is going. If we get confirmation, if we're holding 53K as support, then you can buy them back. You can buy all of these coins back and we're going to the moon. Otherwise, wait for a nice dump, a huge dump, because I have I waited till the end of the video again to show you my best 2 charts, because we're going to get a massive dump. If we don't hold 53K, guys, we're going to get a massive dump in Bitcoin. I don't know how else to tell you, because let me show you, okay? I'll just show you. Okay, look at this. The leverage is so freaking high. It's horrifying. It's disgusting, okay? This is the amount of leverage that's in the system. As you guys know, leverage causes volatility. Leverage is what caused this dump down from $69,000 all the way down to $42,000. This is where you wanted to call your mom because you were so broke. Well, it could easily happen again because leverage is extremely, extremely high. It's higher than it was back in May. You guys remember in May when we lost everything right here, when we just went down to freaking zero? That was because of high leverage. I'll show you how high that leverage was in May, okay, real quick. Look at this. This was how high the leverage was in May, right here. You see this? Look at where we are now. We're higher. Okay, so that's why I'm not effing around with this. I'm not playing around with this dead cat bounce, because if it is a dead cat bounce, all these gains that you just made in CRV and Ethereum and MATIC and Solana and ALU and AXI and all these coins, they're going to go back to zero. You're not going to make anything. You're going to lose all your money. Okay, so I'm not messing around. I'm taking profits, and that's what I would recommend for you as well. I mean, I'm not your financial advisor, but do your own research. The next thing here that is new, and this is a crazy chart, so smash the like button if you like this. This is the whale buying. This is where all the whales buy on Bitfinex. And remember, I told you guys back here that there was a massive wall being built at $40,000. These are all buy orders. These are whales that are literally sitting up there ready to gobble your coins. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Thank you for your coins. Thank you for your coins. $40,000. Well, guess what? There's a new zone. This is really interesting. They've moved their gobble zone up to $45,000. Do you see this? They've moved it here. They're going to buy anything at $45,000 here. So that's really interesting. We've moved up $5,000. So what do I think could happen? Very, very simply, I think it's just logical that we come up here, we get rejected for the first time at $53,000. Like, we don't actually make it. We come all the way back down to $45,000, like sometime in January or sometime in February maybe, right? And maybe, I think January could be good, honestly. Maybe we even get a push up here, but we come all the way back down, right? Come back down to $45,000, and then we go up, because that would freak out everyone and the market would win. Like, the market would definitely win in that scenario. So that's what I got for you guys. I'm playing this short term. I'm watching 53K like a hawk. I'm buying CRV, Ethereum, MATIC, Solana, Chainlink, AXI, Phantom, Elron, D-Race. I know I said top 5 coins, but I got more than that for you. I got ALU. I got I already showed you a D-Race. The same ones that I've been talking about this entire time. The DOT ecosystem is about to go insane. Polkadot looks really bullish today. Polka Bridge, here we go. Polka Markets, Polka City. Like, all of these Ocean, Aleph. Hold on, Ocean, Aleph. I'm just giving you guys so many gems because I'm a genius. I know all this. I'm just kidding. Well, what's the next one? Remark. Remark is an amazing DOT ecosystem coin, up 6% today. What else I got in the DOT ecosystem? I think DOT is about to have its run. I know I told you guys that I was going to eat that camera if it didn't hit $100 by the end of the year, so I'll probably have to eat a camera. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but still, I'm still extremely bullish on DOT. Kilt was a great one. Like, all of these DOT ecosystem projects, I'm doing them off the top of my head here, guys, so if I miss yours, I'm sorry, but Polka Starter, I think we could have a massive run in January, and Donnie Big Bags actually just said the exact same thing, and I said that on Twitter. This is a few minutes ago. Like, this stuff happens fast, guys. You got to follow me on Twitter. Donnie Big Bag says DOT ecosystem is going to pop off hard in January. I tend to agree. I said 1 month late, but I'll take it. So if you want to know what the DOT ecosystem means, go back and watch some of my videos, but I just went through them really, really fast. There you go, baby. Not only did I give you my top 5 crypto coins for 2022, I gave you like the top 20, and I also showed you, most importantly, how to actually keep those gains, the actual secret. So if you enjoyed that, smash the like button for me. Check out the links below. There's a lot of cool stuff. There's a 1-pager. There's a lot of awesome stuff in that link below, so please click that link, and I will see you guys later. Peace. Bye.